checked that party Saturday night?
Yeah, I can't remember.
It's so cool. I didn't go.
Why not? What is this?
What's this kid doing? Is he in grade 9?
Yeah.
What are you doing there?
Are you in grade 9?
Yeah.
What are you doing here?
Can't be in here.
Seniors only.
Power. Senior 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 power. Flush him.
Yesterday, I told you about this essay I wrote. Dwayne couldn't even bump it up 1%.
Wow, are you serious?
Really? Oh, yeah, that gets pretty. Hey, buddy, what you doing?
Oh, just some homework.
What subject?
Science.
Man, aren't you? Isn't that like...
Well, let me help you out.
Okay. Thanks.
Which question?
This one. It's really hard.
We're going to do this.